Hello, how to solve 3 power x times 3 power x equals 36, solving for the value of x that satisfies this equation. Now, if you have a power n times a power m equals a power n plus m. Now, we are going to apply this identity here. That means we're going to have 3 power x plus x. And this equals 36. X plus x is 2x. I have 3 power 2x equals 36. So what I'm going to do will be to apply log of log 3 over 2x equals log 3, 36. Now, if you have log a power b, this equals b times log a. So the 2x here will come behind this. We have 2x log 3 equals log 36. So from here, we can have 2x log 3 equals log 36 is the same thing as writing log. This is 2 times 18. 2 times 18 is 36. So from here, if you have log a times b, this equals log a plus log b. So this is my a, this is our b. That means we are simply going to have 2x log 3 equals log 2 plus log 18. Now, what we can do also is to express this 18 here as product of 2 times 9. So you have 2x log 3 equals log 2 plus log 18 is simply 2 times 9. And we apply the same identity. Log x times y equals log x plus log y. So that means we are simply going to have 2x log 3 equals log 2 plus log 2 plus log 9. So from here, you have 2x log 3 equals log 2 plus log 2. This is 2 log 2 plus log 9. Now, at this point, I can express this as 3 times 3 of 2x log 3 equals 2 log 2 plus log 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Now, if you have log a times b equals log a plus log b. So we apply this right here. That means we are going to have 2x log 3 equals 2 log 2 plus this is log 3 plus log 3. And log 3 plus log 3 is 2 log 3 of 2x log 3 equals 2 log 3, 2 log 2 plus 2 log 3. That's log 3 plus log 3, that's 2 log 3. I can divide this by 2, divide this by 2, divide this by 2. To eliminate 2, I have x log 3 equals 2 log 2 plus 2 log 3 divided by 2. So from here we can have x log 3 equals 2 log 2 divided by 2 plus 2 log 3 divided by 2. This cancels this cancels this. Half x log 3 equals log 2 plus log 3. Now I can isolate x by dividing this by log 3. And I divide this by log 3 again. So from here, this cancels this. Fx equals log 2 plus log 3 divided by log 3. So from here, I have x equals log 2 divided by log 3 plus log 3 divided by log 3. So log 3 divided by log 3, that is 1. We'll simply have x equals log 2 divided by log 3 plus 1. And remember this, log x divided by log y equals log x to the base of y. So log 2 divided by log 3, that x equals log 2 to the base of 3 plus 1. So this is our answer, log 2 to the base of 3 plus 1. What we are going to do again is to insert this particular value for x right here. We have check x equals log 2 to the base of 3 plus 1. And we have 3 power x times 3 power x equals 36. So this means 3 power log 2 to the base of 3 plus 1 times 3 power log 2 to the base of 3 plus 1 equals 36. Now, if you have a power n plus n equals a power n times a power n, meaning we have 3 power log 2 to the base of 3 times 3 power 1 times 3 power log 2 to the base of 3 times 3 power 1 equals 36. Now 3 power 1 is 3, 3 power 1 is 3. Also, if you have a power log b to the base of a, this equals b. So you have b here, that is b there. So you have 3 power log 2 to the base of 3. This will give you 2 here, so you have 2 times, this is 3, times this also will give you 2 here, times 2 times this is 3, and this equals 36. So 2 times 3, this is 6 times 2 times 3, this is 6 equals 36. So from here, you have 6 times 6. This is 36, and this equals 36. This side and this side are the same. So guys, this is how you solve this type of exponential problem step by step. And that is it, guys. Goodbye.